YouTube, this is Crazy Working Man. Today, I just thought I might let you guys know that I worked today at my job, which is basically at New Plymouth Elementary. And also, I want to talk to you guys about how awesome it is to work at a school district, that's basically it's not why I started out, but yeah, this is what actually it is fun to talk about. Right now, if you guys are teachers or former teachers, you guys know how to do when you guys are working with kids or students or whatever. Please comment and. Oh, oh, thank God. Ah, ah. And right now, I'm trying to reposition my bed. Well, not position, but reestablish my blankets off my bed. What the? Rocco. For most of you guys got my video last night for Crazy Working Man. For when I said thank you for all you vets out there, like they're veterinarians. Excuse me, I didn't mean to burp. And also hard workers of back then a military. And it was 9/11 yesterday. I wanted to say thank you again to all you to all you guys out there. I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you for you all what you do. And also, this is for all the teachers and lunch ladies that actually been also um been also there, but not there technically, but also serving your lunches and also teaching you what's right from wrong and also other stuff as well. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I can't talk with that freaking lisp. I can't cuss anymore on YouTube. I'm sorry. Uh, right now I'm trying not to cuss or say anything with an S. So I sound like I got a little bit of lisp and I'm tired from work. I'm tired basically now. And it's already past, what time is it? 5:49, almost 5:50. It should be 5 o'clock somewhere, it was already past 5 o'clock somewhere. If you guys are mostly my friends on Facebook, I get the memo. It's ain't at 5 o'clock somewhere. It was already 5 o'clock somewhere for me 2 hours and 49 minutes ago. But let's get back to the matter at hand. Is for you teachers out there that teaches kids math, English, science, art, whatever. And also some of you teachers out there teaches teens and preteens and also young adults that cooking is awesome. Now, I mean just ramen or other stuff as well, or macaroni and cheese. But also, it's also fun to cook other stuff like apple turnovers for people that don't have diabetes like me. And also, teachers that wants to be more assertive towards math. Like most people, not so much like math. Like math is a boring subject in school when I was a kid. And also for most of you guys are out there when you guys are kids, and math is the boringest subject in school. So I feel for you. But if you want to be smart and crunch numbers all your life, you go ahead. And also, art, science was my thing. Science was fun. Art was fun. I want to say thank you to all your teachers out there. And also for being a smart ass like me. Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss. Sorry, YouTube. For being a smart aleck like me, I grew up around smart people that graduated from school. And I have learned from you better study hard. For most of my family understands why I had to go to why I had to just be like stay in school until I was 18 and then I had to get a job. Well, thank you. I had to study and everything else. I want to say thank you and a happy birthday to one of my teachers that is finally retired. So, Christy Ziegler, if you're watching, a happy birthday. And also, uh, maybe, who knows? And right now I'm just chilling with my shoes off. You didn't want to see my feet, so I did want to make you see my toe, what happened before. But that's for another subject and point in time. And also for you lunch ladies out there, I thank you for what you have done. Helping others get their lunch and getting food for the kids and prepping the food, making the food, serving the food, all this other stuff. I appreciate you guys a lot. So, and also, kind to think of it, especially us dishwasher dudes, we don't get enough credit. So we are just dishwashers. I don't care for much credits. I don't care for like other things besides getting a thank you. I like getting thanked from other kids. So, so kids, if you're watching this and you're from the New Plymouth Elementary School, thank you, and you guys rock. And also for those kids I didn't say thank you, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for serving me back your trays. Sorry, I'm trying not to burp. And right now I'm just chilling. And also, if you guys want to say thank yous to your teachers, thank yous. Oh my god. I hate this list, but it's starting to slur my words. No. For most of you guys out there, I'm not drunk. I'm not doing nothing bad to my body. I've already done that before with sugar. And also a whole bunch of it, like donuts. But also, I want to say thank you to other workers as well, like janitorial workers, principals, the people that run the school districts. I forgot to say thank you from the last video a long time ago. But also, I want to say thank you to all you guys out there that run the schools and the building projects for schools, and also maintenance workers, janitors, custodians, and also sorry if I have arthritis in my hand. It's like stiff my fingers a little bit. And also, uh, and guys, since I'm the lowest part of the totem pole, uh, and I know you guys are on my list of people to thank, dishwasher people, and also any kind of dishwasher people, I thank you. And also for basically what you guys do is awesome. You dish dishes and wipe down tables a lot. So yeah, basically you guys take out garbage as well. Yeah, and also for all the other employees of different people, head of states or head dishwasher dudes like I was before. Before men's closed down, I was a head dishwasher dude. Well, technically, I wasn't the boss. I was just the main dude that does dishes. Does dishes. Oh, dead gum. You did them dishes. Sorry, I'm not trying to make fun of rednecks. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I didn't mean to do that. Crazy working my ass. I hope to God he's got life insurance policy. I'm trying not to make fun of people with lisps, bad speech impediments, or rednecks. I'm trying not to make fun of those people. You know, some people are hard workers or even extreme hard workers, like basically like me. I feel sorry for whoever is like, trying to be creative in the world of dishwashing and also trying to expand their wings. But also for you teachers out there that are underappreciated, like the special ed teachers, which is special education or whatever. And also math teachers as well. I thank you guys. I've been in special ed for most of my life. And for most of you guys that are having birthdays today, happy birthday. And also, I want in this note, in this thing, this video, for one thing though. For most of you guys that are like, underappreciated, underthanked, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys do dishes, collect tips, whatever. If you guys work at a diner, I know how it feels. I was the number one worker that always did a lot of stuff. And one or maybe 5 people thank me, but I always thank them. So I want to say thank you. Love you guys. Keep doing what you gotta do. And again, with the redneck thing, I'm sorry. For most of you guys out there, I love you guys. I'm not trying to make fun of you rednecks. I'm not trying to make fun of anybody with a bad speech impediment either. But I want to say thank you to everybody that works in the workforce. And understandably, I've been through there. I've been through a lot. Cleaning up back alleys or back of the buildings. Cleaning, what do you call it? Windows, dishes, tables, click tips, whatever. Even though that's the last part before I said whatever wasn't a job description, but I was actually a nice guy. Didn't care for much of the tips, but it was money because everybody else around me got paid less than I did. Well, kind of a little bit. Then I got paid tips and I was a dishwasher for many years. About actually, actually 2.5 years, nearly 2.5 years. Just actually, technically, nearly 3. Since I had 2 jobs, I've been dishwasher actually, and also before then I was a janitor slash custodian. Then last time before that was extra random jobs I had to do, like clean cars and did some other stuff. Also cleaned the front end of the building, back of the building, whatever building. for like 7 years and more. But also, I feel appreciated it back then, except for Hype Valley. You know who you are, you evil demons of you guys. Sorry if the video's shaky. I'm a little tired and hungry. I've just needed something to eat, so technically I'm not gonna pause this video anymore. Like on Crazy Magic Hawkman, I did a video like saying random stuff about Magic the Gathering being gifts, ideas. And also, I want to say thank you, people that are underneath the totem pole of work. Sooner or later, you might get promoted or do what you gotta do to get promoted. I've got promoted twice at my last job. I would say thank you to Scott Farley. I love you, dude. You rock. And also, went to fill out other applications as well. But now I've got one job. Not two, not three, not four, not five. Sorry, I hiccuped. Dang hiccups. But right now, I'm just determined to go wherever the wind takes me. Like, go do laundry again, or or do volunteer again, but that would be for the summer. And also, one more thing. Again, with one more thing, I know I have to say it. I love you guys. Now, I'm not going to say it 2,000 times. I'm going to say it 400,000 times. You guys rock. Times it by 400,000. For most of you guys out there, most of you guys are like fighting a good fight out in Afghanistan, whatever. You guys are awesome. You guys rock. For most of you guys are disabled veterans that have a job, you guys rock. I want to say thank you. And for most of you guys are underappreciated and never thanked by your boss. Even though I'm not your boss, I'm crazy working man. And I'm not afraid to say, hey, let's go take a selfie, man. If you're somewhere in the Payette area or Walmart, I appreciate you dudes. Let's take a selfie. Doesn't matter with my selfie stick or your phone. I'd be glad to take a one selfie per turn. Yes, rock. Hey, I'm gonna say this at the ending of this video, so whatever comes your way, work, school, and you feel underappreciated and never thanked, I appreciate you guys. If you guys want to check out my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, smash that like button. Give me 30 different likes. And if you guys are not appreciative of this video, I appreciate you guys reviewing, telling your friends, and also be kind to one another. I love you guys. As always, peace, love, all this for love and nerd war. And also be nice to those kids out there that are like trying to get their school and get their education and stuff. So deuces. This is Crazy Matt. Not Crazy Magic Hawk Man. Crazy Work Man. Sorry. Yeah. And I'd really appreciate you guys a lot of thought onto doing this video. So cool. Well, like laters.